Hi Selena, I'm just going to run you through a few changes and how to update your site. So the first step is to go to your web address and just add WP admin at the end. I'll put this in an email so you have all the links for reference. Um, it'll ask you for a login. I'll send you those details, so just enter those as a username and password and just log in and you'll get to this screen here. If you want to change the content on the pages, so like text and stuff, I'll show you how to do that. So these are the pages on the site, pretty straightforward. You use the edit button here and you'll see a lot of the code that holds the site together. Now if you want to change a certain part of the website, you've got to look for the actual content. So it might be a bit hard to see, but the list on the side on the home page, so it starts here. So standard systems, extractors, performance systems, they're inside these brackets here. If you're having trouble finding what you're looking for, you can just click in this area, so make sure the little cursor's up and just go Control F and you'll get a find window. It will be in Internet Explorer as well, it might look a little bit different. So if we needed to change maybe performance systems to something else, we'll just type performance systems, and that way you can find the text that you want to alter without affecting the code, and you can just change what you wanted. So yeah, I'll change performance systems to performance exhaust systems just to show you how it works. So I've made the update to the text and now I want to save the changes, so I'd come over here and just use this update button. And once you do that, it saves a copy of what's happened, so you can go and view the page now clicking here, or this will open it in a new window. So you can see now that performance systems has changed to performance exhaust systems. So we can go back and just go find performance systems again and just delete exhaust out of there and then update it. So if you come down a bit further as well, the heading Sunshine Coast Exhaust Systems Custom and Prefabs is here, and this next bit down here are the list of things that you guys do, so vintage cars, street cars. They're broken into 3 columns, so there'll be 3 there, and then there's another 3 here, and then another 3 down here. So you can add to those or change the text in there. Just use the Control F function again, and then motorcycle exhausts, and then you find that phrase of text. So you can change those things there. It's the same with all the other pages as well. They're just set up a little bit differently. So exhaust brands. So this bit here, we stock a wide range of quality brands and upgrades. That's just in the sidebar. And then there's the list of the brands here. They're inside these little things here, which just tell it it's a list. So yeah, if you wanted to add more to those, you can. There's 2 columns in the list. So this is column 1. And this is column 2. So if you wanted to add to column 2, what I would do is just copy one of the ones from before. So you've got to make sure you get the little li tags. So just right click and copy it, go to the end of where it sits, press enter, and then right click again and go paste. And then you can change it to anything in here. And then click update. Then you can review the page again. So you see we've got pipes down here. So yeah, it's easy to, you've got a fair bit of space to work with if you need to add any more brands. If you do break the page or something goes wrong, just let us know, we can usually fix it pretty quickly. I can show you something called the revisions of the website. Okay, if it's not showing up, right down the bottom there'll be a thing called revisions. To make sure it's on, just click the screen options tab and click revisions here. then you can just close that down. And what that does is it brings up this list down here called revisions. So if you made a mistake and you've updated the site, all the previous ones still exist. So you can just click on this one. It might ask you if you're leaving this page. And this is the last time it will show the code, and this is the last time we pressed update. So you can look at the list and pipes is gone. So this is just before we put the pipes in. So you can look at it and just make sure it's the one that's clicked on. So it's that one there. So you want the older one. And then just go over to here to restore. And that'll take you back. So if you view the page now, there's no pipes. So if you do break the site, you can just fix it like that. The other thing you may want to change, phone number details down the bottom here. The one in this image here you'd have to get us to do because it's actually an image. You'd have to change the photo files. The same with the address up here. If you wanted to change the contact details here or on this page here, I'll just run you through those. So once you're logged in, you'll still always have this admin bar at the top. So you can just click on which page you want to edit and then just click edit page here. So on the contacts page, just look through the code until I found the phone numbers, and then just down in here. So those ones you can change the number and just click update, and they'll update any of the details there. There's your address as well. So yeah, just try and keep it in the same format, and it shouldn't look too different if you make an update. Yeah, I'll show you the widgets, which is the footer bit at the bottom. So it might be closed, so the appearance tab here, you just click to open it and then click on widgets. And so because it's the first column, we'd open widgetize footer number 1, and this will come up, and inside this text box here is where the details are. So you can ignore the code stuff and just find the things that are relevant, like the address and the phone number. And what I do if I'm making changes is once you've finished, just click save, close the tabs down so they're completely flattened, and then click the link to your site up here, and that should make you save. Alrighty, now I'm going to show you how to add photos to this gallery here, and they'll automatically, update and go stretch along here and make a new row. So you can click on dashboard just to get back to the control panel that has everything in it. So yours will probably look collapsed like this when you first open it. So you come down to here, it's gallery. What that'll do is just expand that sidebar. And there's a bit called add gallery images. So yeah, you're in the upload images tab. That's all you really need to be in. Just choose gallery, make sure you put it into that, otherwise it won't upload, and just click browse, put just that image in there, and then just click upload image. And that should be added to it. So now we can click back up here, go to our gallery, and see that was the image that we just added services. So now that's in the gallery, and it'll move it to the front of the queue. So if you wanted to get rid of it, just go back to your dashboard, click on gallery. Yeah, manage gallery is what you need to do to delete stuff. So ignore the home one, I don't think there's anything in there. So just click gallery. You've got a whole list of images here that are in there. So you just click on, make sure you have that clicked, or you can just click delete there on the image itself. And then just make sure you save any changes. And that's how you update the gallery. If there's any stuff you need changed, just let us know. We're happy to make updates for you. They usually don't take us very long. But yeah.